Understanding Organic Mulch, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in gardening and environmental science: organic mulch. Understanding this term not only enhances your vocabulary but also gives you insight into eco-friendly practices. So, let's dive in. Organic mulch is a layer of natural materials spread over the surface of soil. It's derived from natural sources like leaves, wood chips, straw, and grass clippings. The key characteristic of organic mulch is that it decomposes over time, enriching the soil with nutrients. Using organic mulch in gardens and landscapes offers numerous benefits. Moisture retention. It helps soil retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. Temperature control. Mulch acts as an insulator, keeping the soil warm in winter and cool in summer. Weed suppression. It inhibits weed growth by blocking sunlight. Soil health. As it decomposes, it improves soil fertility and structure. There are several types of organic mulch. Bark mulch, made from tree bark. It's ideal for areas around trees and shrubs. Straw mulch. Often used in vegetable gardens, it decomposes quickly. Grass clippings. Good for lawns, they provide nitrogen to the soil. Leaf mulch. Decomposed leaves that are excellent for enriching garden beds. Applying organic mulch is straightforward. 1. Prepare the area. Remove weeds and moisten the soil. 2. Spread the mulch. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer around plants, avoiding direct contact with plant stems. 3. Maintenance. Replenish the mulch layer as it decomposes. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and use of organic mulch in gardening. It's not just about enhancing your vocabulary, it's also about understanding sustainable practices that benefit our environment. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.